This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach a head to the body after inserting a dowel to support the head and neck. At this point, you should have a completed and stuffed body with a very long tail attached, about the width of your arm span. You should also have a completed crocheted dowel about 8 inches long. Finally, you should have a completed and stuffed head with a hole in the bottom for inserting the dowel. The body should be stuffed firmly up to about the arms. There is no need to stuff higher than that because the dowel will take up the full width of the neck. Insert the dowel so 1/2 of the length is down inside the neck and body. Then insert your fingers inside the hole on the bottom of the head and separate the stuffing so there's room to insert the dowel. Insert the top of the dowel inside the head and make sure the head is on straight. It's okay if there's a bit of a gap. That'll close up as we sew on the head. The nice thing about the dowel is it holds the head in place as you're sewing, so it's a lot easier to keep the head on straight as you sew. Next, thread the yarn tail attached to the body through a yarn needle. Flip the project over. The goal is to attach the stitches from the last round of the body to the stitches around the perimeter of the hole on the head. I recommend leaving your stitches somewhat loose. At the end, we'll make sure the head is on straight, and then we can tighten down those stitches. Okay, I got off with my stitch count somewhere, but it's okay, it's not going to show. Okay, I think our head still looks like it's on straight, so I'll go ahead and tighten down the stitches. And it's important to get these as tight as you can without breaking the strand of yarn. Fasten off with a knot and hide the tail inside the work. Congratulations! You have just completed an adorable llama. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!